Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello, adventurers! In this video, I will explain how to play Pathfinder on a controller, step by step. First, connect your chosen controller to your gaming device. Next, confirm that the game successfully recognizes your controller's input. Dive into the in-game settings to fine-tune sensitivity and customize button assignments to your liking. For even greater control, you might explore using a third-party remapping tool, which can offer more advanced customization options for a truly personalized experience. Once your controller is set up, mastering movement and basic combat is next. Your left analog stick will guide your character through the world, while the right analog stick allows you to control the camera, giving you a clear view of your surroundings. Assign your fundamental attacks and most common abilities to the 4 face buttons for easy access. For actions you need to perform quickly, like potions or common spells, map them to the shoulder buttons. This layout provides intuitive control during exploration and skirmishes. Beyond hunting, you can also find durable seals by thoroughly exploring the world. They are thematic items, often found in logical places such as scrapyards, garages, and other industrial areas filled with machinery. Keep an eye out for scraps boxes, which frequently contain these seals. Additionally, engaging in ambushes across Yara's intermediate and high-security zones can reward you with a good quantity of durable seals. Don't forget to check guerrilla caches at your hideouts, as these replenish daily with valuable resources. To truly excel, consistent practice is key to building muscle memory for your controller setup. Don't hesitate to experiment with various button layouts. Finding what feels most natural to you will significantly enhance your gameplay. For those moments requiring careful thought, remember to utilize the game's pause feature, giving you ample time to plan your next move. Finally, adjust your camera settings to optimize situational awareness, ensuring you always have the best view of the battlefield and your surroundings. Happy adventuring!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.